Welcome to IQVIA Hospital Information Systems video. In this video, we will see the laboratory workflow. Let us log into the system. There are various functions in laboratory, starting from specimen collection to dispatch of results. Each activity is performed by a specific role. Let us see them one by one. When a lab order is placed for a patient, the orders will appear in the specimen collection screen. The phlebotomist will access this screen and collect the specimen for the patient. In the specimen collection screen, we have various filters, which the users can use to search as per their requirement. From the New tab, the phlebotomist will be able to see all new lab orders for the current date and collect the specimen. And save. The specimen has been collected successfully, and the system generates the barcode and shows the preview of the sticker to print. The status has been shown as specimen collected. And now hand over the specimen. Using the specimen handover icon. In the specimen handover pop-up, mention the porter mode. And save. The order has been transferred successfully. If the hospital does not have a lab reception workflow, disable the specimen sent and received flag in the app setting and save. Once the specimen handover is done by the phlebotomist, the lab receptionist can see the order details in the lab reception screen and will select the orders. If the specimen cannot be accepted, the lab receptionist will click on Reject icon and reject the order. Otherwise, the order should be selected. And click on Accept icon to accept the specimen. A pop-up showing the acceptance will be displayed, and click on the Yes button to accept. The porter accepted the specimen successfully. The status of the order will now be changed to Handover Accepted. If the user wants to reset the process, click the Reset icon. Otherwise, the user will transfer the specimen to the respective departments using the transfer icon and confirm it by selecting Yes. And the specimen got transferred successfully. Once the specimen is transferred to the respective sublabs, the lab technician will click on Lab Work List. From the New tab, the technician will select the order and can be accepted by clicking on the Accept Specimen icon. In the Accept Specimen window, the technician selects the order details and accepts the specimen. A confirmation pop-up will appear to confirm the acceptance of the specimen. If the hospital has LIS integration, the technician can load the specimen to the LIS machine for analysis. In the technician review screen, select the dates, machine code, and click Search. The results, which are analyzed and ready, will be displayed in the screen. Select the results. On Approve to approve the result. The technician can also select the results and click on Hold to hold the results, or click on Reject to reject the results. Once the results are accepted from the machine, the lab consultant can access the Report Entered tab to authorize the results. To do a manual result entry, click on the In Progress tab. Select the order detail for which the results are to be entered. Click on the Assign User icon. The system navigates to the Assign User pop-up screen and assign the user. Enter the username and assign. The order assigned successfully. And click on Manual Result. The system will open the Order Result Entry screen. Enter the values and click Save. The lab consultant can click on the Report Entered tab to see the details of the patient for whom the lab test results are added. Select the tests and click on Authorize Report icon to authorize the report. In the result entry screen, the consultant can verify the details and make changes as required. And click on Approve to approve the result. The report is authorized and the details will be moved to the Authorized tab. The user can assign the care provider and can print the sticker by clicking on the icons. The technician can click on the dispatch icon to dispatch the results. Confirm the dispatch. And the result will be dispatched successfully. And also the result can be viewed by clicking on the Result View icon. Reset to the previous status by clicking on the Reset Status icon, and reports can be printed by clicking on the Print Report icon. Documents can be attached by clicking on Attach Document. Upload the document. These icons are used to edit, delete, and download the result. And the user can view the document. Attach another document. This is how the lab worklist process has been done. The orders placed for OutLab will show up in OutLab worklist after specimen collection is done. The technician can select the patient and click on Send to OutLab. In the Send to OutLab pop-up, select the test name, OutLab name, expected result date, and save. When the results arrive from the OutLab, select the patient name and click on Attach Result icon. In the Attach Result pop-up, click on Attach Document and upload the file from the system. Once the result file is uploaded, select the test and save. The lab technician can click on Result View icon to view the result. And click on Authorize Report icon to authorize the report. Once the report is authorized, it can be dispatched by clicking on the Dispatch Result icon. The functionality Specimen Discard displays all the specimens which cross the stability period, and the user can discard the specimens from the list. The specimens will be listed under the new tab. Select the specimen from the list and click on the Discard Specimen icon. Confirm it by clicking on Yes. The specimen has been discarded successfully. All the discarded specimens will come under the tab Discarded. If the user wants to cancel the discard function, select the specimen and click on Cancel Discard Specimen. Confirm the cancellation. This is how we can discard the specimen. The approval matrix functionality allows the user to configure the approval for the order category. Search by print category or care provider name. By clicking on the Modify button, we can modify the approval matrix. To create the new approval, click on the New icon. Select the print category. Enter the care provider name. If we choose Auto Approval, enable the flag for Auto Approval. To allow authorization, enable the flag for Allow Authorization. Mention the dates to which this approval matrix has to be active. And save. Or cancel. After saving, the details will be listed under the approval matrix screen. The Lab Authorize matrix allows the user to manage laboratory authorization matrix. To add the users to the existing records, first we have to select the order category and the user level. Then select the user and save. The approval matrix saved successfully. If we want to add multiple records, click on the Add icon. Select the order category, subcategory, user level. Select the user and save. This is how the laboratory workflow is carried out in the system.